in 4K for you. Nice rider cam POV. Woo! The lighting on this is crazy. Lots of flashing lights, strobe lights. Woo! Oh yeah, one of my all-time favorite rides. Woo! Brilliant. Woo! Let's go. Yay! It's party time in Turkey. Woo! Oh yeah. Try and get him going. Hey, what a great lighting package. Aktur Park. Make sure you check out the full vlog if you haven't already seen it. Absolutely brilliant. Woo! What a great overall package on this beauty. Woo! Get ready! Woo! Ba-da-bum-bum. Woo! Ba-da-bum-bum. Loving the dance music. Woo! Hey! Lights on the gondolas. Oh, isn't she beautiful? Woo! Fantastic. Crazy dance. What a great overall package. Love it. Thank you for watching Theme Park Worldwide. And that leaves me one final thing to say.